Good morning, dear children. I hope all of you are fine. Welcome in English class. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 8, pronouns. The topic is pronouns. What are called pronouns, children? Pronouns are words that are used in place of a noun. The words that are used in place of a noun. They are of different kinds like personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Personal pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, you, they, etc. Demonstratives are this, that, these, those. Reflexive pronouns are himself, myself, themselves, ourselves, etc. And interrogative pronouns are question words that we form questions using them, who, whom, which, whose, etc. Let us discuss one by one all these four kinds. Okay. Lesson number 8, pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in a sentence. They are used in the place of nouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns. Sam is a boy. Sam likes football. Now we are repeating Sam again. First time the name is introduced, we are going to use the name only. Second time about the same person, if we are telling something more, we will use pronoun. Second time we can use he in place of Sam. Sam is a boy, so he is the pronoun that will be used in place of him. He likes football. Now coming on more examples. Amit is a nice boy. He always helps others. Now we have to see, we are using a pronoun for Amit, so we will use he. Sonia is a teacher. She teaches maths, so she is used for Sonia. Sonia is a girl, so we are going to use she. So according to the noun, we will use the pronouns. Look at the children, they are playing. Here we are using they because children it is plural, so we are going to use the plural pronoun. I have a basket, there are apples in it. Here it is used for basket. For things we can use pronoun it, so there are apples in it. Mohit is in the garden, he is watering the plants. He is used for Mohit. So according to the noun, we have to use the pronoun. Okay. Now coming on exercise A, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns given in the box. Ria is absent today. So Ria is the subject here. Ria is the noun. For Ria, we will use she. She is ill. I have a lamb. My father gave dash to me. For lamp, we will use it. The teacher saw the children. Dash were making noise. Children were making noise. So for children, we will use they. Rahul can dance well. Tell him to dance. For Rahul, we will use him. This is a story book. It has stories. For book, we will use it. Now, kinds of pronouns that are in your book: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, interrogative pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns stand for particular persons or things. I, me, we, us. This is first person. This is I is singular, we plural, and me object pronoun, us also object pronoun. They are first person pronouns. You, it is second person pronoun. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. They are third person pronouns. They are third person pronouns. A personal pronoun can be a subjective or an objective pronoun. So here is the list. Pronouns as the subject: I, you, he, she, it. Plural of I, we, you, plural is you only, and third person plural is they. Now these are used as subject. Subject means in the beginning of a sentence we can use these pronouns. Object, in a sentence This bag belongs to me. So me is the object here. So these are the pronouns. For I, me. For we, us. You. For she, her. He, him. It, they, them. We can use them as object in a sentence. So this is the list that table you can make in your notebook about personal pronouns. First person I, we is called the speaker. Who is speaking? I or we. Second person you is the listener. Third person he, she, it, about whom we are talking. And they is the plural. Now this is the table: subject pronoun, possessive pronoun, object pronoun. First person singular I, plural we. Possessive will be mine, ours. Object pronoun will be me, us. Second person singular and plural both you. Yours is possessive, you is object pronoun. Third person singular he, she, it. These are possessive pronouns of he, his, she, hers, it, its. And object pronouns will be him, her, it. Plural of third person they, theirs, and them, object pronoun. You can see it is used for things and animals. He, persons. Pronouns singular, plural. Again the same thing is described in this flow chart. I, he, she, it, you are singular. We, they, you, they are plural. So this is Rohan. For Rohan we will use he. He is brushing his teeth. This is Riya. She is dancing. For Riya we will use she. This is a tiger. For animal we will use it. It is roaring. And these are Rohan and Mohan. For two, more than one, we will use plural pronoun they. They are writing. Riya is dancing. Rahul is Riya's brother. Rahul is watching Riya's dance. Rahul loves Riya. So instead of repeating Rahul and Riya again and again, we can use the pronouns. Riya is dancing. Rahul is her brother. Instead of writing Riya's brother, we can use her brother. Rahul is watching Riya's dance. So for Rahul we will use he. He is watching her dance. Rahul loves Riya. He loves Riya. He loves her. So this is the way you can use the pronouns in place of nouns. Now coming on exercise B. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the nouns personal pronouns. Akshita and Neeraj went to the zoo. Akshita and Neeraj saw many animals. So Akshita and Neeraj is repeated here. We will use they. The plural they will be used in place of that. Sonal did not go to school because Sonal was not well. Because for Sonal we can use she. She was not well. Harry played a match. Harry won the match. Harry is repeated. So for Harry we will use he. Harry played a match. He won the match. Sophia said that Sophia had finished reading the novel. Sophia said that she had finished reading the novel. So you have to use pronouns in place of nouns that are repeated. First time the name will be mentioned and next time we can use the pronoun in place of the name. The student took out the book and started reading the book. Now the book and book, it is repeated. So for book we will use it. Tony sat down for Tony wanted to rest. Tony sat down for he wanted to rest. For means because. Tony sat down because he wanted to rest. Meaning is same of for and because. The girl took out a pen and the girl drew a picture of a fairy. So girl is repeated. For girl we will use she. The girl took out a pen and she drew a picture of a fairy. Jyoti wanted to score good marks, so Jyoti worked very hard. So she worked very hard. In place of Jyoti, we will use she. We have exercise C also related to personal pronouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Look at John, he is playing. For John, we will use he. Paul is a naughty boy. He always gets scolded by his parents. Julie and Julia are friends. They love to play. Julie and Julia are friends. They love to play. Priya went to the market. She bought a loaf of bread and a packet of chips. For Priya, we have used she. I saw a flower in the garden. It was beautiful. Flower. The flower was beautiful. It was beautiful. Personal pronouns. After that, demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point out the object or objects to which they refer. This and these refer to things near at hand. The things which are near to us, we will use this for singular, these for plural. That and those refer to things lying at a distance when you are pointing at a thing which is far from you. So you can use that for singular and those for plural. This is my house, this house is mine. Now see the difference between pronoun and adjective. This is pronoun also, this is adjective also. Adjectives are that we can see that just after that noun will come. This is my house. It is pronoun. This house is mine. So this house, just after this noun is coming, so it is adjective. And mine here is pronoun. Mine is possessive pronoun. That is my pen. That pen is mine. The same difference is this. That pen, it is adjective. That is my pen. It is pronoun. Underline the demonstrative pronouns in the following sentences. So it is very easy. These are your toys. These. This is my pencil. This. Those are trees. Those. That is a big house. That. Those are his dogs. Those. So this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. For you will use for that and those, and which are near we will use this and these. Okay, do these exercises A, B, C and D for today. Okay, try to understand about personal pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. Bye children.